Okay, today now we are coming to the lesson 7. So we have studied the other lesson, quality, isn't it? After quality, then lesson 6 comes. That is expert dictators. That lesson is being deleted by the board. From your syllabus it is being taken out. And now so we are coming to the lesson 7. That is the invention of beta O. You can see that in this lesson a new experiment is being done and a new medicine is being experimented to make young people young. That means there is no old people, all are young, to keep that young age still. So they are not becoming old. Understood? Now we will see what are the things needed for that making experiment. The invention of beta Koch. Who are the oldest people you know? That means in our house also there are people, isn't it? Older, your grandfather, your grandmother, maybe their father or mother, somebody. All the time, one or the other, there are old people. Everywhere we can see, in every family we can see. What are the oldest things you have in your house? Maybe furniture. There are many furniture, maybe from generation. Inherited from your grandfather's family or from your mother's family. Still, they are in good condition in your house then. In your city, town, monuments, old buildings, isn't it? These are the old things which are been from the past years onwards. So generation after generation we are seeing all those. They are the old monuments which are giving the memories to our old history. Understood? Then about the villages. Villages one by, there are many villages. After some time maybe changes comes, but still the village is the same only, isn't it? But that means modern development is going on, still the village is there only, it is not being removed from. How old are they? So they are maybe 100,000, more than 100 years it can be, isn't it? Many years will be there. Even the trees, banyan trees especially. So now we will see even the trees, there are many banyan trees, they are the oldest, isn't it? You have seen also from the root itself it is growing and growing. So banyan tree is also we can say one of the oldest one, isn't it? Like that many things are there. Have you ever wished that you were older? Yes, even we also, yes or no? All the time will you be like the child only? No, after some time you will grow up. As you grow, your age also grows, and as your age becomes, you also become, your appearance also changes, your body appearance also changes. You also go straight to which age? Older age, becomes grandfather or grandmother, isn't it? So it is natural that everything, all living beings will go and meet which age? Older age. Invention of Vita Wonga. Mr. Willy Wonga begins by inventing Wonga Vita. So who is the person? Mr. Willy Wonga. And he is inventing which one? Wonga Vita. Today we are having Bonvita, isn't it? Like that, a medicine. Bonvita is a drink. And now he is making a medicine. Understood? This is not a Bonvita, we say it is not a medicine, it is only a refreshing drink. But here he is inventing a medicine named Wonga Vita, which makes people younger. That means there is no old age, all the people seems to be young, making people younger. That means no old age will come to anybody, all will remain in the same youth only. So someone disappeared because their age becomes minus. One person actually become minus 87, which means he has got to wait 87 years before he can come back. So even though when he is up to the age 87, still he can come back to his life once again. Today in our place how it is, if anybody is of 80s, it is rarely they are living. Otherwise they will be gone out of the world, isn't it? Mr. Willy Wonka must invent a new thing. So he wanted to find a new thing so that all the time people remains the same. Now we come to the lesson. Mr. Wonka said, so once again I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. So once again started his experiment. Once again I used my brain, making my brain do the work, searching for a new recipe to find out a medicine. He wanted to find out a new thing, and for that he wanted to know what are the things needed, a recipe, all the things needed. I have to create it to make people oldest. I cried, for now the ideas were beginning to come. What is the oldest living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything? So he wanted to find out which is the oldest thing and which is the thing which is older than anything else. That means nothing is longer than that. A tree. So some were saying a tree. Of course, we can say tree lives for 100 years, isn't it? Right, you are Charlie. But what kind of a tree? No, the Douglas fir, not the oak, not the cedar. No, my boy. So he started saying fir, oak and cedar. Then the answer from Wonka was no. It is a tree called the Bristol cone pine. So which is the tree? Bristol cone pine. Slopes of the Wheeler Peak in Nevada. Where it is? USA. It is in USA. Bristol cone pine that grows upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. You can find Bristol cone pines on Wheeler Park today that are over 40,000, not 4,000, it is about 40,000 years. So which is the oldest one? Bristol cone pine, where? In the Wheeler Peak in USA. That is fact, Charlie. Ask any dendrochronologist you like and look that word up in the dictionary when you get home. Will you please? So that started me off. I jumped into the great glass elevator and rushed all over the world collecting special items from the oldest living things. A pint of sap from a 40,000-year-old Bristol cone pine. So he wanted to get a sap. So from the oldest and the longer one, they are getting the medicine's recipe. Understood? So first they went to which one? Bristol cone pine to get a sap. The toenail clippings from a 168-year-old Russian farmer called Petrovich George Gorovich. So a farmer having a toenail clipping. So that is about 168 years. Then an egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. So tortoise egg, which is about 200 years. The tail of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia. One horse in Arabia which is having a tail of how many years? 51. A whisker of a 36-year-old cat called Crumpets and a cat of 36 years old and his whiskers. An old villa which had lived on Crumpets for 36 years and the Crumpet for 36 years. The tail of a 207-year-old giant rat from Tibet. The black teeth of a 97-year-old Grimalkin living in a cave on Mount Popocatépetl. The knuckle bones of a knuckle bone means the thumb of a 700-year-old catalo from Peru. So these are the things, these are the oldest things what they wanted to gather for making the medicine. So they are taking the things which are longer than or which are older than many years. That means first one it is about 40,000 years, second is 168 years, then 200 years, then 36 years, same again 36, then 207, 97 and 700 years old. So these are the oldest things that are still in this world. Understood? All over the world, Charlie, Mr. Wonga went on. I tracked down very old and ancient animals and took an important little bit or something from each one of them. So he had taken little things from many items, many things for recipe. A hair or an eyebrow, or sometimes it was no more than an ounce or two of the jam scraped from between his toes while it was sleeping. So these are the little small things from these oldest things. I tracked down the whistlepig, the bobolink, the scallop, the polyphrog, the giant culprit, the swinging slug and the venomous squirrel. Who can spit poison right into your eye from 50 yards away? This squirrel has the capacity to spit out poison which is about 50 yards away. So it goes that much far distance. But there is no time to tell you about them all now, Charlie. Let me just say quickly that in the end, after lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing and testing in my invention room. So all the time boiling, then mixing and bubbling. All the many hours it takes for boiling and mixing and then bubbling. Where he is doing in his inventing room, I produced one tiny cup full of oil. So he had produced only one small tiny cup full of oily black liquid. Taking all these old things, and from these old things, little things from each of them, then all that are mixed together, they are made boiling, and then bubblings comes out, and finally inventing only a small cup full of oily black liquid. And gave 4 drops of it to a brave 20-year-old Oompa Loompa volunteered to see what happened. And this medicine was given to, and how many drops really? 4 drops. 4 drops to a 20-year-old Oompa Loompa, and we will see what is the result. So from all those old things, many items are there, and they all been mixed and boiled, and finally getting only a small cup full of black liquid. And from that cup full of black liquid, 4 ounces was given to that 20-year-old Oompa Loompa. And see what had happened. It was fantastic. Fantastic means wonderful. And it was a great shocking, cried Mr. Wonga. The moment he swallowed, the moment he had drank it, he became wriggling and shivering up all over, and his hair started dropping off, and his teeth started falling out, and before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of 75. And thus, my dear Charlie, was Vita Wonga invented. So this person, this 20-year-old person, after drinking that 4 drops, what had happened? Suddenly his teeth had fallen, his hair got straightened, and his hair started dropping, and he suddenly had changed into an old man of 75 years. This 20-year-old person had changed into 75 old after drinking that 4 ounce, isn't it? 4 drops of liquid, the dark liquid which he had made from that oldest and the longest things, small recipe of that. He had mixed everything, boiled and bubbled, and finally got a cup full of liquid. And that liquid 4 drops was given to this 20-year-old man. And all of a sudden, so soon after he had drank it, his hair started falling down and wrinkles came on his body and his teeth all had fallen down and he had come to an age of 75. So the young one was made into old. And thus, my dear Charlie, Vita Wonga invented. So that is how, what's the name of the medicine? Vita Wonga. Vita Wonga. That was being invented. Understood? So now you understood how Vita Wonga was invented. And how was the recipe made? From the oldest and which lives longer than anything else. From those things, a little sap was erected and then they were mixed and boiled and finally got 4 drops, a cupful of drink. Okay, understood? The invention of Vita Wong. Mr. Wong said, so once again I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. Once again I used my brain. Excuse means I had made my mind work. Searching for a new recipe. I had to create one. To make people old. That means to make people old. I cried for now the idea was beginning to come. What is the oldest living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? A tree, Charlie said. Right you are, Charlie, but what kind of a tree? No, the Douglas fir, not the oak, not the cedar. Oh no, my boy, it is a tree called the bristlecone pines that grows upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. You can find bristlecone pines on Wheeler Peak today, that is over 40,000 years old. This is fact, Charlie. Ask any dendrochronologist you like. So that started off. I jumped into the great glass elevator and rushed all over the world collecting special items from the oldest living things. And so these are the things mentioned over there which are very old enough. That means first of all we have seen the bristlecone about 40,000 years, isn't it? So there it started. Pint of sap, pint means a small juice of that. From the 400-year-old bristlecone pine, the toenail clippings from a 168-year-old Russian farmer called Petrovich Grigorovich, an egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga, the tail of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia, the whiskers of a 36-year-old cat called Crumpets, an old villa which had lived on crumpets for 36 years, the tail of a 207-year-old giant rat from Tibet, the black teeth of a 97-year-old grimalkin living in a cave on Mount Popocatépetl, the knuckle bones of a 700-year-old catalo from Peru. So these are the oldest things collected for making the recipe. Mr. Vicky Wonga is a cook or an inventor or a manager. He is an inventor. Wonga Vita makes people older or younger. Wonga Vita was making people younger. Now Vita Wonga is making people older. Got the difference between Vita Wonga and Wonga Vita? Mr. Wonga wants to invent a new thing which will make people younger or older. Now he wanted to make people older. That is why 20-year-old man was changed into 75 years old. Can anyone age be a minus number? What does minus 87 means? That is, he is coming back to the age of 87. Wonga begins by asking himself two questions. What is the oldest thing and which is longer than anything else? All over the world, Charlie, Mr. Wonga went on. I tracked down very old and ancient animals and took an important little bit of something from each one of them. A hair or an eyebrow, or sometimes it was no more than an ounce or two of the jam scraped from between its toes while it was sleeping. I tracked down the whistle pig, the bobolink, the skylark, the polyprop, the giant curlews, the stinging slug, and the venomous squirrel, who can spit poison right into your eye from 50 yards away. But there is no time to tell you about them all now, Charlie. Let me just say quickly that in the end, after lots of boiling, bubbling and mixing and testing, in my inventing room, I produced one tiny cupful of lovely black liquid. I gave 4 drops of it to a brave 20-year-old Oba Lamba volunteer to see what happened. What did happen? Charlie asked. It was fantastic, cried Mr. Wonga. The moment he swallowed it, he began dribbling and shading up all over, and his hair started dropping off and his teeth started falling out. And before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of 75. And thus, my dear Charlie, was Vita Wonga invented. So, Wonga helps the people to be young enough, isn't it? And Vita Wonga making people old. That means from 20 years going straight to 75 years. What trees does Mr. Wonga mention? Which are the trees Mr. Wonga is? Bristol, cone pine, Douglas fir, oak or cedar, and a Bristol cone. Which tree does he say lives the longest? Douglas fir, no, then not the oak or the cedar, but which one? Bristol line, Bristol cone pines in the Wheeler's Peak in USA. How long does this tree live? About 40,000 years ago. Where can you find it? In the Wheeler's Peak in USA. How many of the oldest living things can you remember from Mr. Wonga's list? Which are Wonga? The sap of, that means Bristol cone, from Wonga's list. Which are the list? Sap of Bristol cone, then toenail clipping, egg laid by the tortoise, then tail of the horse, whiskers of the cat, then old fleece clumbers, then tail of a rat, then black teeth of a crimelon, then the knuckle bone of a catalogue. Do you think all these things really exist or some of them really? So it is just an imaginary because we did not know about Wonga Vita or Vita Wong. We had never heard about it. So it can be an imaginary story. Why does Mr. Wonga collect items from the oldest things? Why did he collect? Because from the oldest things like eyebrow, hair or an ounce of or two of the pan escape from between the toes, isn't it? These are the things he had taken. Why did he take them from these oldest things? Because which was living for more years. What happens to the volunteer who swallows 4 drops of the invention? When he had it, the volunteer was only 20 years old, and when he had swallowed 4 drops of the newly invented oily black liquid, what had happened? Suddenly he started wrinkling and shivering, and his hair started falling down, and even the teeth was coming out, and suddenly he had changed into a person of 75 years old. What is the name of the invention? What is the name of that medicine which had worked to make the young into old? Yes, Vita Wong. Now what do you call these insects in your language? Cockroach, mosquito, grasshopper, housefly, dragonfly and ant. Add to this list the names of some insects common in your area. Fill in the blanks in the recipe given below with the words. Making dal. What we can use 1 onion, 1 cup dal, 2 thin green chilies, then half a teaspoon red chili powder, 8 small bunches of palak, 2 tamarind, salt to taste. Wash and cut the vegetables. Then what you have to do? Shred the palak, put everything in a pressure cooker, let the cooker whistle 3 times, then switch it off. Fry a few cumin seed in oil and add to the palak dal. Making of the dal sabji. A family tree is a diagram that shows the relationship between the different members of a family. Fill in the family tree below with the names, ages and other details you think are relevant. Put your family tree up in the class. So this is the family of somebody. Now you have to make a family plant tree like this. My family. So great grandfather, great grandmother, and from there comes a grandfather and grandmother, then aunt and uncle, and from there comes uncle, aunt, mother, father. Your mother and father is coming. Then mother-in-law and father-in-law. Then again there comes a cousins, sister-in-law, brother, sister, myself, husband, brother-in-law. From again brother, sister-in-law comes a nephew, niece, son-in-law, daughter, son, daughter-in-law. Then from the son-in-daughter, daughter, husband, granddaughter, grandson. From there coming grandson, great-granddaughter. So this is the plant tree, family plant tree. Understood? So you can also make a tree of your family. Using do to emphasis. Charlie asked, what did happen? This is a way of asking the question, what happened, with the emphasis. Emphasis means giving more stress. Given below are a few empathetic utterances. Say them to your partner. Let your partner repeat your utterance without the emphasis. Your partner may also ask something to you. It disagrees with you. I did study. Partner, you studied. I don't believe you. Look at your marks. Now I did go there. Partner, you went there. Then I do play games. Partner. So that answer you have to play. I also play. You can write. He does read his book. Partner can write. Then you do say the most unbelievable things. The earth does spin around. Spinning means rotating. We all do what you to come with us. Who does know how to cook? I do believe that man is a thief. So this is a dialogue between two, you and your partner or you and somebody else. Like that, when you are talking with you and your friend, or you and your mother, you and your father, you and your brother, or you and your sister. So when you speak together with somebody, it comes as a dialogue, and that is the one over there. Make a list of the tree Mr. Wonga mentions. Where do these trees grow? Try to find out from an encyclopedia. Write a short paragraph about 2 or 3 of these trees. Name some that you can find. Search in. Today you can search in the web also. You will get all the details of these trees. Leave the names and then search for it. You will get it. So you can write 1 or 2 in your notebook also. Name some large trees commonly found in your area. Find out something about them. Who planted them? Do birds eat their food? And write 2 or 3 sentences about each one of them. So nearby also in your area also there are many trees which are older, many years before it has been there. It be from your great grandfather's time itself. It was still there and now growing and growing. So you can write a short description or a short history of that plant, that tree, I mean tree also. Find out something interesting about age or growing old. Write a paragraph about it following on the few topics suggested as examples. The age profile of a country's population, that is we say census of the population. According to the census taken, they are able to calculate the number of men, number of women and children to know what is the population rate. Does it have more young people than old people or vice versa? That means old or more or young or more. What are the consequences of this? What will be the result of this? If old people are more in the country, what will happen? After some time, the population will come down because they will not remain for a long time, isn't it? How can we tell how old a tree, a horse or a rock is? An old tree, how we can find? By seeing the rings. When a tree is being cut, we can see the rings around it. By counting the rings, we can say how long the tree was there. Understood? Like that, same also horse, rock also. What is the little exception of various living things and various populations? How long can they reasonably expect to live? So the answers of these lessons will be sent to you, and the main thing is you have to read the lesson many times. Okay.